You guys, we found a haunted castle that you can actually eat in.
So the atmosphere in here is absolutely amazing.
So this is the Haunted Castle Cafe here in Plano, Texas. It's actually right down the road from Dark Hour Haunted House, if you like haunted attractions. This place is serving up food with a frightful vibe for sure. It is spooky, it is medieval, and it is definitely open for dinner. So let's see what's on the menu.
So on the Haunted Castle menu, we have a lot of cool options. First, we have the Royal Cheeseburger, which is what I went for. It sounds like these are gonna be really good burgers. They have Thousand Island dressing on them. And there's also the Haunted Castle Burger, which adds the blue cheese, the sauteed onions. They also have chicken fettuccine Alfredo. They have shrimp fettuccine Alfredo. They have a variety of salads.
And they also have a bunch of appetizers on there too.
Yes.
Of course, they have some soups and a kids menu as well.
And thunder and lightning.
Thunder and lightning, yeah, you gotta have that.
So the atmosphere in here is absolutely amazing.
There's the lightning.
So creepy, and there's ghosts flying, and there's just so many castle themed things in here. It's amazing.
And of course, they have a cocktail menu. Let's see, Blood and Sand Painkiller, oh God. Swamp Thing, Ghost Hunter, we got
a ghost hunter?
Somebody's gotta tell us what the Ghost Hunter is. I am going for the Smashing Pumpkin. Got the Smashing Pumpkin drink. We're getting ready to hang into that. It is Maker's Mark bourbon with pumpkin spice and Angostura bitters. That's what those are the bitters. Okay.
Oh, bitters.
Which
It smells like pumpkin.
Oh wow, and it's so it does have one ice cube in it, but it's mostly warm, so that's kind of giving some fall vibes there too. It definitely tastes the pumpkin spice. And the rum isn't too overpowering, but it's definitely there, so it's a very good blend, very well done. And it's $13, so. And of course they've got your wines and normal beverages as well.
Oh.
And then this is the buffet.
Oh my gosh.
These aren't technically on our menu. They're
Okay.
something that we decided to come up with one day, just for funsies.
Right.
This is made by our bartender, or our server, Lily. It is Svedka vodka, triple sec lemon juice, and our coconut puree, like our coconut syrup. And then this one right here is our Jim Beam with our blue carousel, lemon juice, and a splash of Sprite. And they're both rimmed with our black sugar.
Oh, very nice. Thank you so much.
So if someone were to come in, could they specially ask for these, or is it a...
If you know, you know kind of thing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Gotcha.
It's kind of like a little promo thing that we like to do, so.
Very nice. So ask about their off-menu treats.
Yes. This is... I gotta...
You gotta try that sugar, yeah.
Nom, 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 nom. Oh. That's really good. Oh my God.
Dangerous?
Very dangerous. Oh my God.
What kind of flavors have we got going on there?
Coconut and lemon.
And
Like a
coconut and lemon.
citrusy.
Okay. Very nice.
Yes. Oh my God. The sugar's good too. I love it. Your turn.
Going for the blue thing. Gotta get on the sugar side here.
Oh, you have to, yes.
That is smooth.
This one was too. Oh,
Very, very smooth. It's got some berry flavor. A little bit citrusy. Highly recommend that one too. They have brought out the food.
with the little skull on top.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. I already tried a French fry. I cheated and it was really good.
Well, hang into that burger there.
Oh my gosh.
And then I got that steak with the mushroom sauce. Holy cow, guys. This looks absolutely amazing.
All right, here we go.
Or
See if I can make a mess. Oh my God.
How is the Royal Burger?
These burgers down here in Texas are really good.
Right? I think it said maybe that's the Wagyu meat, the very good for you meat.
Oh, okay. I'm like, I don't know what that means.
Yeah.
I do know it tastes really good.
I may have mispronounced that, so let me know in the comments. Now, I'm gonna cut into the steak and let you guys know how that looks or tastes. Oh my God, guys, this thing is freaking thick.
It really
Look at
is.
that. That's a sirloin. All right.
That was a lot to put in your mouth at one time.
It's actually really tender for the thickness of it. It's easy to chew. All of the flavor is there, and especially with that mushroom and cream sauce on top. One of the better steaks I've ever had, for sure.
I saw them. Oh my God. I just spotted somebody.
Uh-oh. He's coming after us.
Oh crap.
I wonder if I can get him to cut this steak for me.
Oh, no. I don't think that's a good, he's gonna cut you if you're not careful.
Oh my. Hello, Michael.
It's Michael.
Are you the one back there cutting the steaks? He does what he can.
He's looking at it. Huh?
That you're doing? Yes. Oh, the food is amazing. Yes.
Oh, yes. It's very
I just
good.
hope we get to continue enjoying it without dying first, you know.
Let's pose. So in the evenings, they do typically have a DJ back here. So the vibe in here is a little more uppity. They also have a lot of different characters here, as you just saw, Michael. They did say that they have a lot of stilt walkers in here, and the ceilings are tall, so that's really cool. So you can come in and see some spooky characters while you're eating. But I will tell you, for those that are maybe scaredy cats, I have not seen anything in here that was like truly scary.
No.
While the vibe is creepy and it is a darker atmosphere, this is really fun.
Yeah, it
so
is.
if you haven't been here yet, you should totally come to the Haunted Castle Cafe. We love it. Just come in here, I dare you.
They're talking about having special performers, like a violinist, and a DJ
Yeah.
is going to be here later.
And the food's good.
food is amazing.
The drinks are really good too.
All right, we put a hurting on that dinner, and dessert is on the way.
What's what?
I'll do the tiramisu.
All right, you get the.
Oh.
Oh, look at the little eyes.
The strawberry sauce.
No,
Oh,
blackberry.
Oh, that's a black.
oh my gosh, look at
man.
this little guy.
Oh, look at the skull brownie. So every single day these are going to be different because the servers actually go back there and they put their own little personal touches on them. Every single day they're made fresh, so every dessert is totally unique.
Oh my God. That is good.
Oh man.
It's so warm and fresh. They make the desserts fresh daily.
This tiramisu is absolutely to die for. To die for. Holy crap, guys, that was absolutely amazing. We loved every single bit of that food. It was incredible.
Yes.
I can definitely tell you we'll be coming back here every single time we come down here to the Dallas-Fort Worth area in Texas. If you want to see more spooky spots like this and restaurants, check out our website, thescarefactor.com. We've also filmed some other restaurants like this in some other parts of the country. Check out those videos as well. Speaking of, I've got the next video linked for you right here. I'll see you in that video. Until then, stay scary.